Welcome to DUDEAR Academy. So this video is the continuation of the discussion of the previous year question paper of JPHN grade 2 conducted by Kerala PSC, and this is the part 4 of this question paper discussion. So let me start question number 76. Menopause belongs to which type of amenorrhea? Menopause belongs to which type of amenorrhea? Options are primary amenorrhea, oligomenorrhea, secondary amenorrhea, dysmenorrhea. Primary amenorrhea, oligomenorrhea, secondary amenorrhea and dysmenorrhea are the options. Correct answer here is secondary amenorrhea. Menopause belongs to secondary amenorrhea. Question number 77. When umbilical cord inserted to membrane some distance from placental edge is called as? Umbilical cord is inserted to membrane some distance from placental edge, that is termed as battledore placenta, circumvallate placenta, bipartite placenta and velamentous placenta. Correct answer here is velamentous placenta. Velamentous placenta is the umbilical cord inserted to membrane some distance from placental edge. Question number 78. Pregnant endometrium is called decidua, myometrium, secretory endometrium, proliferative endometrium. Correct answer is decidua. Decidua is known as the pregnant endometrium. Question number 79. How many vertebrae are fused to form coccyx? How many vertebrae are fused to form coccyx? Options 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is 4. 4 vertebrae are fused to form coccyx. Question number 80. The narrow space of uterus between the cavity and cervix which forms the lower uterine segment during pregnancy is? The narrow space of uterus between cavity and cervix which forms the lower uterine segment during pregnancy is? Options: neck of uterus, corpus of uterus, cornua, isthmus. Correct answer is isthmus. Isthmus is known as the narrow space of uterus between cavity and cervix. Then question number 81. Anti-D vaccines given at which weeks of gestation? Anti-D vaccines are given at which weeks of gestation? Options: 24 weeks, 30 weeks, 36 weeks, 28 weeks. Correct answer is 28 weeks. Anti-D vaccines are given at 28 week of gestation. Then question number 82. Golden color amniotic fluid is an indication of? Options: fetal distress, obstructed labor, RH incompatibility, large baby. Golden color amniotic fluid is an indication of? Correct answer is RH incompatibility. Okay, in RH incompatibility, golden color amniotic fluid is seen. Then question number 83. All of the following conditions may cause cord prolapse except one. Options: multiparity, engagement of head, breech presentation, polyhydramnios. Correct answer is engagement of head. All the following conditions may cause cord prolapse except engagement of head. Then question number 84. A neonate should void at birth or within hours following birth. A neonate should void at birth or within dash hours following birth. Options: 48 hours, 72 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours. Correct answer is 48 hours. A neonate should void at birth or within 48 hours following birth. Then question number 85. Bluish black skin present on skin of newborn usually over the sacral area is. Options: rashes, erythema, navy spots, Mongolian spots. Bluish black skin present on skin of newborn over the sacral area is known as Mongolian spot. Mongolian spots. Then question number 86. Which one is not an indication of fetal well-being? Options: increase in maternal weight and uterine size according to gestational age. Fetal movements appreciated by mother follows a regular pattern throughout pregnancy. Increase in fetal kicks with increase in gestational age. Fetal heart rate between 110 to 160 beats per minute. Here the right answer is increase in fetal kicks with increase in fetal age. This is not an indication of fetal well-being. Increase in fetal kicks with increase in gestational age. Then question number 87. Hard, swollen and painful breast with stasis of milk is an indication of. Options: breast engorgement, mastitis, breast abscess, breast infection. Hard, swollen and painful breast with stasis of milk is an indication of breast engorgement. Then question number 88. Name the condition when uterus fails to contract in order to compress blood vessels and control bleeding. Name the condition when uterus fails to contract in order to compress blood vessels and control bleeding. Options: inversion of uterus, cricket ball uterus, atonic uterus, hypotonic uterus. Correct answer is atonic uterus. Atonic uterus is the condition where uterus fails to contract to compress the blood vessels and control bleeding. Question number 89. Swelling due to collection of fluid in the layers beneath the scalp is called. Swelling due to collection of fluid in the layers beneath the scalp is called. Cephalhematoma, caput succedaneum, subgaleal hematoma, subdural hematoma. Correct answer is caput succedaneum. Caput succedaneum is the swelling due to the collection of fluid in the layers beneath the scalp. Then question number 90. The largest anterior posterior diameter in a fetal skull is. The largest anterior posterior diameter in a fetal skull is. Options: biparietal diameter, occipitomental diameter, suboccipitobregmatic diameter and mentovertical diameter. So among these options, the right answer is mentovertical diameter. It is the largest anterior posterior diameter in a fetal skull. Question number 91. Normal pregnancy period in human being is. Options: 250 days, 270 days, 280 days, 300 days. Normal pregnancy period in human being is. Correct answer is 280 days. Then question number 92. Signs of placental separation are the following except. Signs of placental separation are the following except. Options: rise of temperature, lengthening of umbilical cord at vulva, shivering, gush of blood. Correct answer is rise of temperature. Signs of the placental separation are all others except rise of temperature among these options. Then question number 93. The first pill of oral contraceptives starts on which day after starting of menstruation? The first pill of oral contraceptives starts on which day after starting of menstruation? Options are first day, third day, fifth day and seventh day. Here the correct answer is fifth day. The first pill of oral contraceptives starts on fifth day after starting of menstruation. Then question number 94. Which one is not a natural method of contraception? Which one is not a natural method of contraception? Options: basal body temperature monitoring, safe period, rhythm period, form tablets. Which one is not a natural method of contraception? Correct answer is form tablets. Form tablets is not a natural method of contraception. Then question number 95. The institution provides primary health care at grassroots level in the community. The institution that provides primary health care at grassroots level in the community. Options: PHC, subcenter, CHC, FHC. Correct answer is subcenter. Subcenter provides the primary health care at grassroots level in the community. Then we move on to the next question. Question number 96. Pulse polio immunization program. Pulse polio immunization program was launched in India in the year. Options: 1993, 1997, 1994, 1995. Correct answer is 1995. So pulse polio immunization program was launched in 1995 in India. Next, question number 97. The theme of World Health Day 2019 is. The theme of World Health Day 2019. Options: health for all, blood save lives, universal health coverage everyone everywhere, make hospitals safe in emergencies. The correct answer is universal health coverage everyone everywhere. The theme of World Health Day 2019 is universal health coverage everyone everywhere. Then question number 98. The organizer for activities of PHC. The organizer for activities of PHC. Options: medical officer, health supervisor, public health nurse, health inspector. Correct answer is medical officer. Medical officer is the organizer for activities of PHC. Then question number 99. A notebook carried by a health worker during home visit and the information written in the proper record on return to health center. A notebook carried by the health worker during home visit and the information written in proper record on return to health center is known as. Options: incidental report, family folder, village record, daily diary. Correct answer is daily diary. That is known as daily diary. Then question number 100. A new initiative for child health screening and early intervention for birth defects, disease, deficiency and developmental delays. A new initiative for child health screening and early intervention for birth defects, disease, deficiency and developmental delays. Options are NSSK, RBSK, JSSK, JSY. Correct answer is RBSK. RBSK is the new initiative for child health screening and early intervention for birth defects, disease, deficiency and developmental delays. So thank you for watching the video.